Okay, here is the instruction manual. It tells you all the parts inside and how to download their software. On the back, it shows the instructions of how to build it. We'll be looking at that later. The first thing in the bag is the Arduino Uno. I'm going to be taking that out. Okay, so I got the Arduino Uno out. Okay, so here is the motor shield. The thing that goes on top of the Arduino Uno. I'm going to open that up. Here's the motor shield that you would put on top of this, like this. Let me try and get this in here. Now that's on top of here. Okay, now we're gonna get the Wi-Fi thing. I could open these in, but I'm actually gonna take them out this way. Okay, here's the Wi-Fi thing. Okay guys, so I got one of the motors attached to the chassis. Now I have to do the rest, the three other ones. And then I have to, with these, I have to put them in. So there's three more that I have to do, so. Okay, so every time I have to do this, I have to go get a little nut to put on here. And then I put the 2 screws through it. Okay, I got one of the motors on here. Now the nuts on here. Now I'm gonna thread the other nut. And if it moves like that, that means you need to tighten it really, really tight. So what you do is you go in with the screwdriver. And you try and tighten it up a little bit. And then you go back and see if it's tightened. That one's all tightened. Okay, so we got the motors and the wheels put on. Another part I'm going to have to do is do the wires. But first I'm going to put on the Uno and the other little thing. Then I'm going to put on the Wi-Fi board. Now I'm going to start by screwing these little pegs into the okay, now it's all the way in. Now we have one. Okay, now I'm going to be putting in the last one. This one's going to be kind of hard to put in though. Okay, now that's in there good. We got all of it. Now it'll stand like this. Now we're going to have to figure out how to put this one in. Okay, it appears that you put this on top. You don't have to screw anything else in. Let me just put this in here like this. I have to say something real quick. XIAOR Geek did not send me the IR sensor or the ultrasonic sensor. But it's okay, I'm still gonna make it and hopefully it works. So I'm gonna figure out how you put this on the board. I'm assuming you put it like this. Yeah, let's put it like this. It looks like it's lining up with the hose. And then with these little screws, we're going to screw this into the bottom. So we're going to turn this over. I have no idea how I'm going to do this, but I'm going to do it off camera real quick.